AI is not here to replace you, it's here to empower you. However, as you just said, implementing it effectively is a completely different kind of challenge altogether. And
Right.
sometimes AI's impact isn't just about implementation, then it's about disruption, because you're disrupting a whole way of doing things. We always done things this way. We've always used spreadsheets and Excel and Microsoft Office or whatever, which brings us to a recent, I guess, eye-opening case in which AI really has the power to disrupt entire industries. And we saw that with DeepSeek taking the US by storm, but then also its fall, right, triggered by cyber attacks. And that raised a lot of red flags because it goes hand in hand with why businesses and business owners sometimes can be very like guarded as to which solution, AI solution they want to implement, because there's a lot of talk about the data privacy and security, and what about AI security vulnerabilities, all those things, right? So I'm curious, how do you feel about that? I know you had a few posts on LinkedIn about DeepSeek, you're making some comparisons. So I want to hear your thoughts on that.